In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook shortcut bar if it's missing or not showing up. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the menu icon, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Shortcuts section. If you can't find it, use the search option at the top and search for Shortcut Bar or Tab Bar. Tap on it to open the settings. From here, you can customize which shortcuts appear on your Facebook navigation bar. Make sure the shortcuts you want are enabled. You can also adjust notification settings for individual shortcuts if needed. If the shortcut bar is still missing, try clearing the Facebook app cache. To do this, open your device settings, then go to Apps and select Facebook. Next, tap Storage, then choose Clear Cache. Once that's done, reopen Facebook and check if the shortcut bar has returned. You should also make sure Facebook is updated to the latest version. Open the Play Store, search for Facebook, and install any available updates. If the issue continues, you can uninstall Facebook and then reinstall it from the Play Store. This often fixes missing features and interface glitches. After reinstalling, log back into your account and check the shortcut bar again. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Facebook shortcut bar if it's missing or not showing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.